In this quick video, I'll show you how to create a pivotable table where your users can select the columns. Let's get down to business. This is VTech in 5. All right, aloha. All right, so right now, what we're looking at is this table right here. We have applicants, offers, and hires all broken up by medium, source, and various application dates. But what if your user just wants to see these three measures by medium or source, or any one of the dates? You can't really do that right now, but I can show you how. This is how. We're going to go up to modeling, go to new parameter, and hit fields. And what we're going to do is all of these dimensions that we see, we are going to put them in here. So first we're going to rename this. So this will be like our column param, right? And then we are going to select our dimensions, medium, source, and then our dates, 1, 2, and 3. It's important to note that in this area, you can rename your fields just like so. And not only that, but you're able to, got rid of it, oops. But you are able to move these around. So you can put them in the order that you desire. I want them like this, and because I have them in this set order, it's going to procure like this. So we have our parameter name, we have the fields that we want, and yes, we do want to add the slicer. So from there, we are going to click create. And bada bing! Uh-oh, it's not working. Why? Well, it's not hooked up yet. So let's go ahead and hook it up. All right, so we're going to click on our table, click visualizations, and then we are going to open up our data, and we are going to go to our table, our parameter that we just created, and we're going to slide this bad boy in here. Boom. All right, note that you have medium, source, these 3 dates, and you have them again. These fields are now injected in here. So we no longer need these because they're not going to be alterable by our parameter that we just created. So we can go ahead and delete those. Doom, 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 doom. Boom. All right, cool. And notice that the names, the nomenclature that I utilized in the parameter, it has been attributed here as well. Okay, and it's also in the same order that I specified. And now let's see if it'll work. Medium. Boom. All right. Awesome. So I am going to move this bad boy right here. And although the vertical list works, I'm going to change it into some tiles. So by clicking on this slicer, our new parameter, we can go to our little paintbrush visual slicer settings, and we can convert this into tiles. Lovely. Roll that beautiful bean footage. Okay, cool. So now we can see that, yes, we can only select one. So how do we select multiple? Well, we will turn this guy off. Now they don't have to press control when they want to select a new one. And now we can select multiple. Boom. And now we have the same table that we created from earlier, but now our users are able to augment the data and see the table sliced up the way that they would like to see it, AKA that pivot table. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.